Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. To all the newcomers, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this invisible ponytail look from the comfort of your own home. We're going to start off with two deep side parts on each side of your head, parted into a horseshoe. Follow that up by cornrowing that section it's meant for your fringe. Once you're done cornrowing that section, create one or two braid sections that you're going to attach your tail to. That way, your tail won't feel loose.
You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Now you can go on with your Eco Styler gel or whichever gel works for your hair. Work the gel into your strands using either your hands or a comb, and then sleek it down using a brush. The gel into your strands ensures that your hair sleeks down, especially if you have kinky 4C hair. Once your hair is sleeked down, take this time to lay your edges and make sure your every single strand is sleeked down for a neat look. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me a waistline. I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel. Once your hair is dry, we can now go in with the weave of your choice. I'm using this sleek, soft, affordable weave from Darling, South Africa. I'm going to secure it at the start of my braid using safety pins. You can use glue depending on how long you'd like your style to last. After you've secured the weave at the start of the braid, continue to wrap it around the braid and secure it when necessary. And then, once you've reached right at the top, you can go ahead and start applying your fringe. You can either cut or fold your weave and then sew it in or use bobby pins to secure it. Again, how you secure your weave is totally dependent on how long you'd like to keep your style. Make sure your fringe meets your ponytail at the base. Grab a couple of strands, wrap them around the base to cover the tracks. Use glue or pins to secure, and voila, easy peasy lemon squeezy, you have yourself this beautiful invisible ponytail from the comfort of your own home. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next on my channel. I love you. Mwah!
Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste line. I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man, and they want to say. She ain't a bad man, they want to feel.
Don't do that, or you can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you, me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
It's feet kills.
Original Batman.
Standard.
Now me heart say she bounce on the thing so. Whine it for me thing so. Put the thing upon me thing and whine it for me thing so. I say she whine it for me yard. Man I give it to her one time. Say she want it one time. Whine it for me yard. Man I step in at the yard. Make the girls them say I ain't a bad man and they want to say She ain't a bad man they want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing so. I ain't a bad man and they want to say She ain't a bad man they want to feel.
Don't do that, or you can't cool me a bonfire. Better than you,
Original
me a spitfire. Nobody says we are on dire, we are on dire.
African style, me hit the dance like Bob Marley, me style. You understand me, no made in Japan. We changing style with the girl, system warning, system warning. Me a not gonna waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to see. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so. Come they sing so, whine it for me thing